पुष्पबाणचापा अणिमादिभिरावृता मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। स्मरामि ललितावदनारविन्दम् बिम्बाधरं पृथुलमौक्तिकशोभिनासम् आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यं मन्दस्मितं मृदुमदोज्ज्वलफालदेशम् भजामि ललिता भुजकल्पवल्लीं रत्नाङ्गुलीयलसदङ्गुलिपल्लवाढ्यां माणिक्यहेमवलयाङ्गदशोभमानां पुण्ड्रेक्षु चापकुसुमेषु सृणीदधाना चरणारविन्दम् भक्तेष्टदाननिरतं भवसिन्धुपोतम् पद्मासनादिसुरनायकपूजनीयम् पद्माङ्कुशध्वज सुदर्शनलाञ्छनाढ्यम् स्तुते परशिवां ललितां भवानीं त्रयं तवेद्य विभवां करुणानवद्यां विश्वस्य सृष्टि विलयस्थितिहेतुभूता विश्वेश्वरीं निगमवाङ्मनसातिदूरा महेश्वरीति कमलेति महेश्वरीति श्रीशाम्भवीति जगतां जननी परेति वाग्देवतेति वचसा त्रिपुरेश्वरीति यश्लोकपञ्चकमिदं ललिताम्बिकायाः सौभाग्यदं सुललितं पठति प्रभाते तस्मै ददाति ललिता झटिति प्रसन्ना विद्यां श्रियं विमलसौख्यमनन्तकीर्तिम्।
सकल बुद्ध्यै नमः स्मृत्यै नमः नेत्रायै नमः कान्त्यै नमः लक्ष्मीयै नमः युक्त्यै नमः स्थिरायै नमः स्थित्यै नमः सिद्ध्यै नमः स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र विष्णुकलामवाहयामि जरायै नमः पालिन्यै नमः शान्त्यै नमः ईश्वर्यै नमः प्रज्ञै नमः नाटिकायै नमः वरदायै नमः कलादिन्यै नमः कीर्त्यै नमः दीर्घायै नमः नाभि मणिपूरवै नमः निद्रायै नमः तन्त्र्यै नमः शुद्धायै नमः मोहिन्यै नमः प्रियायै नमः उद्गारै नमः मृत्यवे नमः सदा संकलामवाहयामि निवृत्त्यै नमः युक्तायै नमः विद्यायै नमः शान्त्यै नमः नित्तिकायै नमः दीपिकायै नमः तेजिकायै नमः मोचिकायै नमः रायै नमः सूक्ष्मायै नमः सूक्ष्मामृतायै नमः ज्ञानायै नमः ज्ञानामृतायै नमः आप्यायन्यै नमः व्यापिन्यै नमः व्योमरूपायै नमः ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं आसत्य रजसा तमानो निवेशयन् अमृतं मन्यच्च हिरण्मयः हरमलमलयुः सूर्यमङ्गलाय नमः सूर्यं आवाहयामि ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं काल्याय समेत देवी स्वतः सोमं कृष्णीयं भवाभाग्यस्य संगते सां श्रीं शूं सैं सौं सः सबलवरयुः सोममङ्गलाय नमः सोमं आवाहयामि पुष्टिवर्धनं पूर्वारुणवर्धनां ऋषीयमामृतात्मः रुद्रं आवाहयामि ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं तद्विष्णु परमं पदं सदा विश्वं आसिञ्चतु प्रजापतिर्धाता गर्भं ददातु ते गर्भं ते श्रीवाली गर्भं ते सरस्वती गर्भं ते कश्चनो देवो आदत्तां पुष्करस्तया नमः सदा शुभं भाजाय अवाहयामि नमः ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं तद्रूपिणी एकरस्य त्वं तद्वाहि एतद्स्वरूपिणी भूत्वा परामृताकारामयि चित्स्फुरणं कुरु नमः ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं ह्लूं क्षमौं युं सः अमृते अमृतोद्भवे अमृतेश्वरी अमृतवर्षिणी अमृतं श्रावय श्रावय स्वाहा नमः on the lips सरस्वती ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं वद वद आह्वादिनी ऐं on the heart ह्रीं क्लीं सौः मोक्षं कुरु कुरु सौः हसौ सहौ नमः ह्रीं ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः पृच्छक्रस्ताम् अन्तःसुषुम्ना पद्माटवी भेदनकुशला मोहान्धकार परिपन्थिनी संविदग्निं शिवदीपज्योतिम् आदिपरासंविदं चिद्रूपिणीं कैलह्रीं हसकहलह्रीं सकलह्रीं ह्रीं श्रीं सौः श्रीललितायाः अमृतचैतन्य मूर्तिं कल्पयामि नमः ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं हसरसैं हसरक्लीं एक फ्लावर है बिंदु चक्रे श्रीलंकाएश्वरांके सभावन देवता आवाहयामि सर्वतो भद्रमंडलगत श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती समिश्चित स्वरूपा श्री दुर्गा चंडिका बाला सहिता सकल आयतन देवतान् आवाहयामि आदित्यादि नवग्रहान् आवाहयामि चतुरायतन देवतान् आवाहयामि इंद्रादि लोकपालकान् आवाहयामि दिव्य सिद्ध मानवौढगुरून् आवाहयामि समस्त देश काल प्राणिगत चैतन्यान् आवाहयामि यक्षिणी किन्नरा सिद्ध साध्य गंधर्व अप्सरा सत्व
Goddess is Srimerudarayam. That is the basis for the Sri Chakra. 44 triangles. This is Chakra containing those 44 triangles. The way it is described in Saundarya Lahari, same thing in that fashion we have drawn it here on the ground. In a three-dimensional we have Srimerudarayam here. We have drawn the Sri Chakra, decorated it with nice flowers. We have purified ourselves and then we have invited Goddess and done Pranamastana. So Goddess Durga Devi is now here to receive our prayers. महाविद्याय नमः वे आत्मीयं समर्पयामि ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः स्नानं समर्पयामि ॐ आपोषामि योगवस्थानपूर्तिदातनामहेर्नाय चक्षुषे योगस्य तमोसहातसभालेः श्रुतिर्वमातरः तस्मात् सङ्गमामवः यस्य क्षयाय इन्द्रतापो जनयतानः ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः वस्त्रं समर्पयामि ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः गन्धं समर्पयामि ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः धूपं समर्पयामि ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः धूपमाग्रापयामि ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः साक्षात् दीपं दर्शयामि ॐ क्लीं ऐं ह्रौं नित्यमन्त्रवे ह्रीं ॐ महाविद्याय नमः नैवेद्यं निवेदयामि ॐ स्वाहा
Shivaya Namaha Namo Pujami Shivaya Namaha कुमारी माँ सिरं पूजयामि योगनिद्राय माँ पादुकां पूजयामि महाभद्रेश्वरी देवी माँ नेत्रद्वयं पूजयामि शान्त्यै माँ सर्वानन्दां पूजयामि
पीताम्बरसमोपेतं पुण्यमाल्यविभूषितां मुक्ताहारसमोपेतां मुक्तेन विराजितां महाभद्रेश्वरी मध्ये सर्वैस्तफलप्रदाम् Here we have invited all the deities and we have also kept our prana there and we have back. It comes back 50 times stronger. That is the advantage of more and more people performing this mantra together. When we take back our prana-shakti, revitalize the reason much stronger than another. Padma, Karnika Manche, Shirena, Sahasankari, Ravishatvam, Mahadevi, Sarvaihi, Avaranaisa, Chiratim, Devatamscha, Atmani, Astam,
ह्रीङ्कारासनगर्भितानलशिखां सौक्लीं कलां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणीं वरसुधा धौतां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपाशमङ्कुशधरां स्रग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणी सुन्दरी हृदय देवी शिरोदेवी शिखादेवी कवचदेवी नेत्रदेवी अस्त्रदेवी कामेश्वरी भगमालिनी नित्यक्लिन्ने मेरुण्डे वह्निवासिनी महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूती त्वरिते पताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे महानित्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरि मित्रे समयी षष्ठी समयी पुण्डे समयी चर्यानाथमयी अगस्त्यमयी कालतापनमयी धर्माचार्यमयी मुक्तकेलीश्वरमयी दीपकलानाथमयी विष्णुदेवमयी प्रभाकर देवमयी तेजो देवमयी रत्नमयी रत्नदेवमयी श्रीरामानन्दमयी अणिमा सिद्धे लघिमा सिद्धे गरिमा सिद्धे महिमा सिद्धे ईशित्व सिद्धे वसित्व सिद्धे सिद्धे भुक्ति सिद्धे इच्छा सिद्धे प्राप्ति सिद्धे सर्वकाम सिद्धे ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही माहेन्द्री चामुण्डे महालक्ष्मी सर्वसंक्षोभिणी सर्वाकर्षिणी सर्ववशङ्करी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वमहाकुशी सर्वखेचरी सर्वबीजे सर्वयोने सर्वत्रिखण्डे स्वामिनी प्रकटयोगिनी कामाकर्षिणी बुद्ध्याकर्षिणी अहङ्काराकर्षिणी शब्दाकर्षिणी स्पर्शाकर्षिणी रूपाकर्षिणी रसाकर्षिणी चित्ताकर्षिणी धैर्याकर्षिणी स्मृत्याकर्षिणी नामाकर्षिणी बीजाकर्षिणी आत्माकर्षिणी अमृताकर्षिणी शरीराकर्षिणी परिपूरक चक्र स्वामिनी गुप्त योगिनी अनंग कुसुमे अनंग मेखले अनंग मदने अनंग मदनातुरे अनंग रेखे अनंग वेगिनी अनंगांकुशे सर्वसंक्षोभण चक्रस्वामिनी गुप्ततर योगिनी सर्वसंक्षोभिणी सर्वविद्राविणी सर्वाकर्षिणी सर्वाह्लादिनी सर्वसम्मोहिनी सर्वस्तम्भिनी सर्ववशङ्करी सर्वरञ्जनी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वाधसाधिके सर्वसम्पत्पूरिणी सर्वमन्त्रमयी सर्वद्वन्द्वक्षयङ्करी सर्वसौभाग्यदायक चक्रस्वामिनी सिद्धिप्रदे सर्वसम्पत्प्रदे सर्वप्रियङ्करी सर्वमङ्गलकारिणी सर्वकामप्रदे सर्वदुःखविमोचनि सर्वमृत्युप्रशमनि सर्वविघ्ननिवारिणि सर्वाङ्गसुन्दरी
Seminar. Are you able to hear me? We have come to the end of the seminar, but I think it's going to continue on a long-term basis. Then I will go to conduct the classes. I think we try to do it on an ongoing basis hereafter. Maybe starting with once a month and maybe once a week. About 5 days in Vizag, evening time between 6 to 8 or something like that, 5 to 7, when they can come off their work. And Saturday, Sunday here at Devipuram, the culmination of the thing. Even if just 3 people come, I should be happy. Because how many people do you need to change the world? Ramakrishna Paramahansa had just one. It was Vivekananda. He could change the whole world. If I have one good student, that's enough for me. I'm hoping that this continuing series will generate many Vivekanandas, many Ramakrishna Paramahansas, and we should take Tantra to the mainstream, as I explained today morning in Kamakhya silent speech. People equating with black magic want to change the picture. We say that we have got to release your potentials, overcome your obstacles, inhibitions, and open up yourself to the power of music and dance of the universe. So we will continue this course. May start with once a week, every month. And depending on the response, we have got a good yoga teacher here, Kanya Kanchana. Give her a good hand. she can move with me to Vizag to conduct classes from Monday to Friday and move back with me or by herself to this place to continue the course and the review. So this is how we wish to proceed. And as we build up confidence among people, yes, these people mean business. We can benefit from them. I think the word will spread through our Day Good television channel, DTV, through our web running channels. So far we attract international students and people from Bombay, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Chennai, Calcutta, Bangalore. But practically not in Vizag. I hope to fill that lacuna because the evolution transformation has to begin at home. At home we are weak. We are strong elsewhere. We have to be strong both at home and they say in Telugu, interconnected Arthakalabadi. First you begin at home and then you can bring the whole world. If you can't win at home, you can't win the world. That's a harsh truth. Every spiritual teacher faces, and I am no exception. So may we all work together for the peace of the world, for liberating people out of their own self-made shackles and bring the technologies of self-empowerment into the world. May God bless us so and may this program be continued by Prasanna Nair and every one of you, as I said, you become teachers. You bring your own students and you all become gurus. And you give your seminars. We are there just to offer you a place. Thank you.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. 2012, the first child was born, the dream child of Guruji. Conducting the Sri Vidya courses from Garabo, Devi. Today we celebrated our first birthday. What an occasion. Let us celebrate the coming birthdays unending, for which we need a cooperation from each one of you. I take this opportunity to thank you, Amma and Guruji, for bringing up their children to this level that we feel confident to offer whatever knowledge is imparted to us. Because we have no worry. We know Amma and Guruji, they are with us. They are fearless. There were some flaws, we do agree, keeping in mind all the suggestions that we have received. We will try to improve in future while designing the pattern and the contents of it. Also take this opportunity to thank each and every participant who took out their time, money and patience to come all the way to Devipura and attend our humble effort. Teachers, a big hug and a big thank you for conducting the course so beautifully. And I think all the students, all the participants enjoyed every bit of it. I thank Mr. Ramakrishna Garu for helping us to coordinate. CPI always works behind the scene. He is never seen. But whatever you want, at whichever point, it's available. Just one phone call and it's available. Thank you, Ramo. Thank you very much. Amma Satyavati, the second Annapurna, we call it the junior Annapurna of Devipura, who came here the time she took over the kitchen keys and never looked back, feeding us. Thank you, Amma. Thank you very much. I don't want to take the individual names. I'm scared I might miss out some. So I am putting everyone under one umbrella, that is the Devi Biram family, and take this opportunity to thank you, thank you, thank you. Basically participating in the Sri Vidya course conducted from Devi Biram 2030. As the names are called out, kindly come forward and receive the blessings from our Devi, our Guru, along with his Shakti, our Amma. Venkatramana, Gabriel, Darshana, Gabriel, Girish Chandra Nayak, Pablo, Prabhagar, Nitish Kumar, Nitish,
వీటిలో ఉండదు అదే
Radhama, Radha, Rema, Catwalk, Sally, Shambhuna, please take your position. I'm calling out the name so that you get faster. S.R. Babu, Sugandhi, Amma Sugandhi. S.R. Babu. Sudhagar, Sugandhi, Amma Sugandhi. Sudhagar Reddy. Shyamala Dendra. Umaka. Ursula. Sophia. How should I call her? Vishnupriya. Vamshi Krishna. Simena. I hope I have not missed out any. Definitely this has brought an end to the course here, but it's a beginning. It is a beginning. Krishna is the teacher. This is the beginning. So let us begin from today, now, from the moment, and bring back this happiness to many, bringing deliverance to the world man. As Guruji said, let us have twice a month, once a week, or maybe every day, all the 365 days, learning Sri Vidya. It is blessings. Let's hope all of us together will be able to make this dream fulfilled. Thank you. Thank you.
There are 50 people here. If each one of you brings one group in a week, in a year, then we will fill this place.
Now we have a small refreshment. So kindly join. Everyone help each other. Amma Satyavati will guide us, help us. Let's close the Yeah, before that, let's conclude the function with the Guru Mantra. Chanting.